Welcome back to AI Fortune Lab, where we dive into how AI is changing the game for side hustles in 2025. Today, I'm sharing 5 AI-powered side hustles you can kick off from the comfort of your home. No coding skills needed and you won't break the bank. Just smart use of the right tools. Let's jump right in. First up, faceless YouTube channels. You can build a brand without ever showing your face. With tools like ChatGPT for scripts and ElevenLabs for voiceovers, creating videos is a breeze. Choose a niche, like motivation or tech, and post regularly. AI takes care of the heavy lifting while you grow your audience and ad revenue. Next, let's talk about AI-powered copywriting services. Businesses are always on the lookout for fresh content, and AI can help you deliver it quickly. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to craft blog posts or ad copy for clients on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Niche down to stand out. Become the go-to AI copywriter for e-commerce or coaches. You can easily scale and charge premium rates once you show results. Now, if you're creative but not an artist, don't worry. Selling AI art, prints, and merch is your answer. With tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, you can whip up stunning artwork in no time. Upload your designs to Etsy or Redbubble and turn them into posters or t-shirts. Focus on a trending niche, like anime or motivational art, and let AI help you create endless designs. Fourth on the list is AI automation freelancing. Small businesses are eager to automate repetitive tasks, and you can be their solution. Using tools like Zapier or Make, you can build automations without any coding. Just drag, drop, and set conditions. Easy peasy. Charge monthly retainers for maintaining these automations for some nice recurring income. Finally, let's talk about building and selling chatbots. The demand for chatbots is skyrocketing from e-commerce to real estate. With tools like Chatbase or Voiceflow, you can create custom chat assistants in just hours. They enhance customer support and boost conversions, making them super valuable. Once you grasp the basics, create chatbot templates and sell them on Gumroad or your own site. So there you have it. 5 AI side hustles you can start from home in 2025. Each of these can turn into a real business if you stay consistent and keep honing your skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to AI Fortune Lab for weekly insights on AI tools and income strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.